If you find any bumps on your leaves, if you find distortions, you might be looking at an insect caused gall. Galls are basically a cancerous-like growth that develop on leaf tissue because of a response to insects feeding on the leaves or mites embedding in the leaf. These type distortions, as long as they're on the foliage of the plant, really don't cause any type long-term health stress or problems for the plant. They're just ugly. If you can put up with that, they're really not going to hurt the plant. If you can't, starting in the spring of next year, you'll need to start the plants on a spray schedule that really commences when the buds first break until the leaves are about half grown. And from that point on, maybe about 30 days afterwards, a sequencing of spray schedule to keep this off the plant. In my opinion, it's really not worth it. Now, if these galls would occur on the leaves, not on the leaves, but on the stems or branches, we've got a different problem. It can girdle the plant, actually causing that plant to die from that point out, and we would have to take some type of action. So as long as they're on the leaves, we really don't care. Besides the little round knobs that we see on these leaves, galls caused by mainly little wasps that have laid eggs in this plant, we can also have them occur where they're fuzzy, much like this little woolly patch gall. So you may see a number of these in your landscape, but basically you can still sleep at night because they're not going to cause any long-term health effect.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.